That salmon flavor is unforgettable. Hi everyone, today we're going to cook a very fast and simple dish with the salmon. Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 400 grams of salmon, 30 grams of butter, some garlic cloves, 2 sweet oranges, yes, sweet, not sour, pepper, and salt. Begin by marinating both sides of the salmon with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then massage the fish a little bit. Then marinate it for about 15 minutes. While waiting, slice the garlic and set it aside. Then cut the 2 oranges and leave a few slices for decoration. Squeeze the oranges to get the juice out. In a hot pan, add a little bit of butter. Then add the salmon. Lower the heat and fry both sides of the fish, using a spatula to help gently pressing the fish to make it evenly fried. When the fish is cooked, take it out. Then heat up a small pot and add some butter. Add the garlic and fry until it becomes golden brown. Then add the orange juice. Then stir it well. Now, if you want a thicker sauce, then take 1 small cup and mix half a teaspoon of tapioca and 1 tablespoon of water. Then add it to the sauce. Then stir it well. Now add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix it well. Then pour the sauce on the fish, just like that. And voila! What a nice dish! Wonderful! Bon appétit!